I would like to present a new car designed to sell for $700. Let me show you some of the features of this car. The bumper surrounds the passengers, providing maximum comfort. The seats are bucket style, which prevent the passengers from movement in turns, and it is a three-wheel car, which can be parked very easily as you watch the simple maneuvering of the front wheel. Stability is maintained to a great extent. If the car is set at 90 degrees, they are returned to the normal position very easily. Of course, three wheels have been used in aircraft for years. Other features of the car: a non-impact windshield, safety belts, 60 miles to the gallon, top speed 60 miles an hour. This represents some of the essential production features of the car. The photo on top represents a production model of the tire, and as we go down the photo, we find the seating arrangement, a molded seating arrangement which is complete in itself. Here we have the main tube that supports the car and acts as a gas tank as well. Notice that the front shock system consists of nothing more than a steel spring. The rear shock system is identical to the forward shock suspension system. Here's a close-up of the Flex Seal spring for the front wheel arrangement. Here is the motor installation. The motor can be removed in less than 2 minutes, and a replacement motor while the motor is being serviced on your car. The Alta consists of 32 basic parts and will be manufactured here in Miami. I hope by the end of the year you will be driving an Alta.